Hey everyone, it's NT again, founder and CEO of FitGrid, taking you through another episode of our data diagnostic. So today we're going to talk about instructor performance. Why is instructor performance important, and how can you benchmark that against other studios in your modality and in your area? What we know is that when clients go to studios, they look for some key things: how they get treated by the staff, how they like the facilities, and probably most importantly, how do they feel about the instructors, right? So if you use the FitGrid surveys, then you have the opportunity to see how the ratings that you're getting for your instructors compare to the rating of instructors in other studios in your modality. And we will be building in other studios in your area so that you know if there are competitors around the block or in a 5-mile radius or whatever it happens to be, how your instructors are comparing to them in the modality, let's say yoga or boot camp or CrossFit or whatever it happens to be, compared to the studios doing the same thing in the general vicinity. But let me show you how you find this on Data Diagnostic. First, this is a Data Diagnostic homepage. If you go over to the left here, you'll see an area called Reputation Stats. Click on Reputation Stats. When you get to Reputation Stats, give me 1 second. There you go. Click on Reputation Stats. When you get to Reputation Stats, it'll show your instructor rating in the box right here. It will show the number of ratings that were given, so how many times were clients asked to rate, and then how many comments were left. So in this case, the studio got a 9.73 rating. That is out of a 10 rating. The question was generally rate your instructor from 1 to 10. This is after they've taken class with them, and then leave any additional feedback. Now, to be clear, the feature that is the surveys that would give these ratings, that is a different paid feature of FitGrid. If you're interested in that, then please contact us. But having said that, this 9.73 on the surface, that is great. The absolute value of 9.73 is pretty good. That means that more folks are giving you 9s and 10s than are giving you anything else. And with the feature, with the survey feature that we offer, if anyone gives you a 6 or below, then it automatically informs you. And then, of course, the people that leave great reviews are given the opportunity to leave Google reviews as well. But if you zoom in, there's something really interesting that we do here. So zoom in, and you'll see 60% of studios have a higher average instructor rating, right? So what we did was we said, well, a lot of people gives 9s and 10s because, they're rating their instructor. And so they're more likely to increase or more likely to give a feedback rating than if you ask them to rate the studio. But many of them are in support of their instructors. So you could have a 9.2 and feel like that's pretty good. But actually what we're doing is we're saying, well, compared to other people in your modality, some percentage of them actually have a higher average rating than you do, which means that when we roll out this section where you can see how you're doing compared to the others in your modality, in your geography, you want to pay attention to that, because that means that compared to other people around you, 60% of the studios have instructors that have higher average ratings. That means that they're more likely to stick at other studios than they would be going to you, even though on an absolute basis, you're doing quite fine. That's the quick pro tip today for the instructor rating. We hope you get the chance to check out the survey section. It's useful information, can help your studio do a whole lot better. We'll see you next time.